So just an FYI, I have a 2019 Chevy Silverado S or LD. This is the cabin air filter replacement. So just wanted to let you guys know, obviously this is, you get the upper one, the lower one, the cabin air filters behind this. There are two pins that you do want to start with, but we'll get to that in a minute. Drop it. The way you can tell, depending on what you have to do. A guy told me earlier that the only thing he had to do was remove this, which is very simple to do, but you need to look back here, because if this is open, all you have to do is remove this. It's very simple. There's a pin right there. See that pin right there? That little thing right there? It's easy to come down here behind it, right here. Oh, if it's not very clear, sorry. Push that out, and then you can pull the pin out like so, all the way out, because you got to clear that thing there so it'll drop. There's two of those. There's one over here. Again, you need to do it. Oh shit, where'd it go? It's on the inside of that. You need to push that out as far as you can get it, and then where am I? There you are. Push that out all the way out. There we go. Then there's two little things right here. A piece here you can squeeze in to loosen it. Pull it in, pull it out. Same thing over here. And this thing will just pretty much fall down as long as the pins are released. See, there you go. Like I said, your cabin air filter is right behind here. Some models, if you just drop the glove box, it's fine. Other ones you got to remove. There's a star screw here and over here, and then there's two bolts, one here and obviously one here. Pop that off. These are riveted in right here. Sorry, pardon me. Pop the top one. Let me come back a little bit. Pop your top one and you push down right here, and that thing will pop right out. And then inside, it's very simple. Just pull out on the top. Obviously I put this bitch back together, but you pull on the top of that, it should pop right out, and you can just slide it out. Over on this side, might be a pain in the ass to get out because there's an electrical connection right there. If you pop that, move that electrical connection to the right, be all set. Hope this helps you. Like I said, if you have an opening here like he did on his, you're all set, and really all you have to do is drop the glove box, go in there and pull it out. But obviously I've got a probably late model 19 older body style version, but they must have done something with this because his was different. He didn't have all his clips. Any questions, leave a comment. I don't care if you like it or not, doesn't bother me. Peace.